Hello everyone, it's Tuesday, March 31st, and welcome to our daily Pearson Clinical Assessment video newscast. My name is Tina Eichstedt, speech-language pathologist and senior product manager in Washington State.
Hi, I'm Nancy Castilla. I'm also a speech-language pathologist and senior product manager. I'm here in San Antonio, Texas.
We have 3 news items to share with you today around preparation and practice for remote assessment. Nancy?
Our first headline is about assessment via telepractice webinar that we have that we'll have available online for you soon. This 1-hour webinar is titled Speech Language Assessment via Telepractice, Considerations for Formal and Informal Assessment. And it will be posted on pearsonassessments.com/telepractice. Most of this information was presented at the ASHA 2019 and Ohio 2020 Speech Language Hearing Association conferences. The recording available on our website will provide an overview of preparation needed to administer assessments via telepractice, handling the test materials, capturing examinee responses, and test security. No CEUs are offered for this webinar, but examples of how-to training for speech-language pathologists that are currently available online will be shown at the end of this recording. Examples of telepractice training available for OTs and psychologists will be available later this week.
Our second headline today has to do also with your preparation. The WISC-5 guidance has been released. Today, we're releasing new information for psychologists to review on the WISC-5. Over the past 2 weeks, our team, led by Dr. Susie Rayford, has been bringing together the internal and external science available on individual tests and/or specific administration tasks when done digitally and/or via telepractice. We've asked psychologists outside Pearson to review them initially, and now we're ready to share this guidance more broadly. The WISC-5 administration materials will be ready very soon, so stay tuned. But we want to offer psychologists the opportunity to learn how our Pearson team conceptualizes telepractice with the WISC-5. As you continue to prepare, learn, and experiment with remote service delivery, we'd appreciate your time to review these considerations to support this new season of work we're all in. We will update this document to respond to comments and questions from you, our customers. And finally, another headline around practice. The KTEA3 guidance document is released for your consideration and use. We are also releasing the telepractice guidance for the KTEA3. In this case, however, use this document and the newly existing free Q Global digital assets to practice administering some of these tasks via telepractice. We all need to set aside time before we do something new to practice the mechanics with a colleague until you're comfortable that you can maneuver through the platform and digital assets easily, following the guidance as outlined. Administer every item, every one. Once you're comfortable with your telepractice platform and the digital assets, you need to practice preparing a parent to help with the technical support at home. Remember, this is an opportunity for you to try and experiment with these tools in your remote context right now. Of course, your local, state, federal, and professional guidelines still apply for actual clinical use. In all of this, no matter the context, we are ethically bound to deliver services competently. On the fly is truly not an option here.
Those are the headlines of the day. Though we've been working closely for years with our sister company Connections Education and in research partnerships with several telepractice companies, we're on a learning curve with helping people get up to speed quickly in this current environment. That's why we fully embrace our #AlwaysLearning motto. Thanks and see you next time.